Everyone, continuing on from yesterday, where we set up a scene. So if you've still got your project testy free or whatever you called it, what you should end up with is a blank scene which has still got the default text. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to add a background image and remove that text. Now, what I've done is I've added a folder and I've added this image here, which is a test background, which is just something terrible that I knocked up earlier. You can put any picture you want in there for the purposes of this demonstration. So first off, let's just go into main scene.lua. What we're going to do is we are going to remove the text that's there. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. And that. And get rid of all of that actually. We'll just comment that out for now. Okay, let's save that. If we run this, we should be able to see the difference. So there you go. So no, it's got no text now. Right. So let's have a look at the actual level editing of LevelHelper. Just before we go on, I'm going to do things very simply here, just to demonstrate putting an image on there, publishing the scene and displaying it. But there's something that's worth noting on this, is that LevelHelper is able to substitute different images based on resolution, and I'll go into how to do that in a later tutorial. But right now I'm just going to show you this way, which is you've got these different methods here. And what they'll actually do is they'll actually change the config. The config.lua. It actually changes the setting in here. So we are going to set this to be letterbox. Now the reason why we're going to do that is you see that it's come up with all of these different pink lines. Now what they are is pretty cool actually, is those are the different phone sizes that are possible, and it's quite a nifty little thing really. So what you can do is if we drag this image in here and then we just stretch it out so that it's bigger than all of those sizes. Okay, let's save that. Now we've saved the actual LevelHelper file, but as you can see, if we actually run this, nothing actually happens. Now that's because what you have to do is every time you do it, every time you make a change here, you have to publish it. So it's going to ask you to change the save the scene, and then it's going to ask you to publish the scene. Now, if you've already published the scene, it's a little bit funny that it keeps asking you to do that, but it does. So just be mindful of that. Now, if we play it, there's our image. Now, the cool thing is if we try different phone sizes, you'll see that the image always. Wow, let me take that back. Right, let's go back because I obviously. +6 works, and 6 doesn't, inexplicably. 5 does, and 4 does. Right. Really not sure. As we can see, if it works on the 6 Plus, it should absolutely work on the 6 because the 6 is smaller. Let me just stretch these out a little bit and republish. And let's try again. Right, so that is iPhone 4. Let's go to iPhone 6 again. Let's do it again. To be honest with you, I can only assume that this is an issue with the. Let's try zooming in. Okay, so I think that's an issue with the Corona simulator, which, to be honest, isn't that great. I mean, sometimes when you're using this thing, what you see is not particularly smooth or jerky, but don't worry about that, because when you actually put it on your phone, it comes out very, very nice, as you'd expect. Okay, so that's just a quick overview of getting an image on there and showing you how you can very simplistically set the background so that it fits a multitude of devices. Okay, see you again.